Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And we are solving Natas challenge here from OverTheWire. And in my previous video, we have found the username password for Natas 6. So let's try to log into Natas level 6 and see if we can find the password for Natas 7. So I've started using Burp Suite here because from now on the challenges are um, actually based on analyzing these requests. So I've started using Bobsuit here. So let's see. Okay, we have the username and password for this one. So let's do it. So native 6 and then I've logged in. Okay. It says that input secret. So I think uh, what we need to do is to enter some secret over here and see over the wire. Let's see, enter. It's a wrong secret. So I think our goal is to find a secret that will give us the flag or basically the password for level 7. So let's see and analyze the source code first. Mm, okay, I find something interesting over here. So this is a PHP code and I see something as secret.inc file that might be part of this application. So that is something that we can analyze. The next thing I see is a piece of code, and so basically this is something which is relevant to us. Um, okay, so it is checking if array key exists, if there is a submit uh, and post request associated with the request that we are sending, and if the secret is matching with the one that is something that we are sending. So okay, so this submit is actually sending a post request. Okay, and this is matching this secret with the one which is actual secret. Okay, and then it will basically grant the access and give us the password for native 7. So we need to find a secret that will match with the actual secret. So okay, let's do one thing. Let's analyze if this is some kind of directory. Oh, great. So we have found the secret. Amazing. So let's submit this and see if we can get the password. Great. That's nice. This challenge is really fun. I mean, I really like it. So we can save the password for native 7. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.